Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix if you are unable to delete folder in your window 11 or it's showing or asking administrator permission or system permission to delete the folder. So I will show you 2-3 methods that you can use as per your requirement. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay guys, so this is first method. So just select that folder. Okay, just right click on it, go to the property and go to the security. Here under the security, select your username, your current username. You can check here, go to the settings and go to the account, and here you can see your current username. My current is PD administrator, so I need to select that. Go to the edit. After select that username, go to the edit and you need to uncheck everything. Okay, if it is checked like this, you need to uncheck everything and just apply it. Click OK and click OK. Now try to delete this folder. Okay, so this is the first method. Second method, you can use CMD command prompt if you want to delete this folder without administrator permissions. Go to the CMD command prompt, and here you need to come to the file manager and select that path and you see that path. So this folder we are have into the C drive. So come to the click C, hit the colon, hit the enter. Now we are into the C drive. Now you need to hit the CD, copy that link and paste here and hit the enter. Now we are into this folder. Now type dir. So under this folder we have this folder. Okay, which folder name is folder. Okay, so you can see this is folder has been showing here. Only we have the only one folder with 0 size because this folder is empty. Okay, now if you want to delete it, okay, if you want to delete it, just type that rmdir /s then space /q. Then you need to type this folder name in this double colon and hit the enter. Okay, the folder has been deleted. Now let me show you the second method. Okay, if it is folder which you want to delete but it is asking administrator permission, so there we need to go in settings again. Come here in account. You can see your current user which is administrator. Okay, if it is not showing administrator, you need to change it. So you need to go to the here other users, select that user and change the account type and change as an administrator and click on OK. Once you switch to the administrator, now you can try to delete this folder. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.